Hi, I'm Andy with Holiday Automotive. Today we're going to be taking a look at a 2016 Dodge Grand Caravan. Stock number is A7163. Starting right away up front, you have factory fog lamps. A look down the passenger side, you have alloy wheels. Looking at the tread on the tires. Inside, leather interior. Seats are very clean all the way throughout. You have second row bucket and third row bench seating, as well as a rear-facing entertainment center here. One more look down the passenger side, then swinging around to the back end. You have a rear backup camera here on the back. Taking a look in the hatch. There's a 60-40 split on the back seats, so you can fold those down if you need more room. Power assist lift gate, so simply the press of that button, hatch folds itself down just like that. Holiday Automotive is located on the corners of Highways 41 and 23 in Fond du Lac. We're Wisconsin's largest used car dealer, so it's certainly worth the trip. Inside, you have cruise controls, full touch screen that includes your stereo. Dual climate control is here. I shoot videos today because I want to make sure whether you're coming from near or far, you can see this Grand Caravan on holidayautomotive.com. That's where you'll schedule your test drive and get a free vehicle history report provided by AutoCheck. All at holidayautomotive.com.